Hey guys, Mountain Mama here, back with another unboxing video. This time it's rather big box, and I won this on a Facebook or Instagram giveaway. I can't remember, but I'll make sure to leave the link to their product below. Let's get it opened. If you're not familiar with my page, I basically open anything that comes in my mail, besides bills. Whether it be a sample, a product, something I'm to review. Okay guys, there's lots of cardboard. Like it's a box, inside a box. Over it. Okay. So here's the top. It's a bird buffet. How awesome. The birds are gonna love this. This food looks really healthy too. The sides and the bottom. I bet I could pop this together probably rather quickly. So guys, that's awesome. And then the tray, I believe, sits right down there on the bottom. I didn't snap it together just right. And then this sits right here. That's awesome. You guys will have to check out their link. I'll leave it down below. Make sure you're following me so you can get pictures and reviews of this being used. Till next time. Bye guys.